For this forecast, we will be using the Anna K Tarot. Very cool deck. I like putting them as a story and reading it as a story. Aquarius, let's take a look at our cards. And I say our cards because I'm an Aquarius, just like you. Yay, Aquarius gang. All right, let's take a look. So we've got number 13, the Death card, Ace of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. Wow. This is an interesting reading. Now, the Death card is a good card to get, although you might think it's not. Death card means transformation. It's an ending. It's a new start. It's fresh. And I think that because Pluto is in Aquarius for the next 20 years, it had recently changed in there. It is definitely a transformational kind of vibe. You know, we're transforming into something new here. So Death card is basically the old is washed away and we start something fresh and new. Okay. And then the Ace of Cups comes in the middle, which is nice to see in the middle. There's new relationships here. The Ace is the beginning, right? The number one. So there's new beginnings here in some way. Things that we love, right? And it could be money with that Page of Pentacles. He's fishing for money. In fact, for Aquarius, we've got Mercury, Pisces here till March 30th, which is in our second house of monies. And there was just a lot of energy lately in our second house of money. And we were supposed to be patient and work hard for it and get things going for the money. And so I think that a little more patience is required perhaps, and a little more planning and strategic planning there. And then the money will come. I know a lot of us Aquarians are wishing for a little more income, a little more of the bag, baby. So, he's fishing for that money. So I think a little patience is due here, and it is coming. And we do have to transform in some way and let go of some old stuff with that Death card. We have to let go of something that maybe is not working anymore or whatever, and get ready for a brand new us as Aquarians. So that's very exciting. So basically in April, the sun is in Aries, which is in our third house of branding, communications. Third house is busy. It's the junk drawer of the zodiac. There's just a lot of things going on in the third house. Has a lot to do with our community, though, and communications and busyness, right? Marketing, branding, writing things, right? Getting our message out, talking more with people, being involved in the community more. So that'll be good in April to do that. And yes, it can make you more money and abundance for sure, but it can also create these new Ace of Cups relationships. Every time we meet a new person, it opens a door to opportunity. Okay, so that's cool. And then we do see a lot of money stuff going on too with the second house here, valuing ourselves more. You know, we are awesome. How we spend our money could be changing too. We might be more careful and with our resources and assets and things like that for sure. But in general, this is all about valuing ourselves. And a lot of it can do with what's going in the mouth. You know, Aquarius, some kind of accelerator could be getting those high vibe foods, getting your frequency out. Because Aquarius, you rule the energy fields, right? So you want to work on the energy. You want to heighten the vibration. You want to heighten the frequency. And you can do that quickly through essential oils, healing gemstones and rocks, meditation, grounding mats, grounding yourself barefoot in the grass, for example, or getting those grounding mats off Amazon. My favorite way, though, is definitely spraying and making my own essential oil blends. And I like to do the Tesla 369 blend, right? A ratio of 3, 6, 9 in my spray. That's just my thing. But, you know, because Tesla is all about energy too. So that's cool. Now, we do get this full moon April 12th, Aquarius. This is an important full moon. It is in Libra, so our relationships and weighing, right? Libra is the justice scale. It wants to balance things. And there's a little bit of beauty in this full moon for everyone in some way. Beautifying ourselves, beautifying our property, beautifying something else. So it is a good time in April to use the third house of communications and branding and marketing yourself, getting your message, fine-tuning your message. Maybe it's like you need some new business cards, or you got to revamp your website, or you want to streamline your business in some way so that you can more efficiently serve your customers. Another thing, Aquarius, with this Ace of Cups in the middle there, you could see some good relationships with your neighbors in the third house, your community in the third house. And it could be about learning something new, and it changes the trajectory of your life, because the third house can be learning in small courses, like maybe you're delivering a course or learning a course, something like that. There's a learning vibe with the house 3, like third house. So just letting you know that can be a nice thing as well. Let's now pull a card from our Power of 8 Chakra Lenormand. This comes as a set with the Power of 8 Chakra Oracle as well. And you can get that on www.themoontree.org. All right, let's see for Aquarius. What shall we know for April? All these good vibes, transformation, options happen. Look at that. Look at that options card, number 22. I was born on the 22nd too. 22 is a master number of building something. So there's options here to build something really cool here for your business, for your finances, for your relationships, all the things, right? And making good decisions that way as well. It could be about partnering up with someone as well. I think that Aquarius in April does better, not as a lone wolf, but as, merging, blending growth with that third house with Aries. And with the 2, the second house of money and values and stuff like that. But the number 2 often means, one-on-ones. So there's this communication vibe, I think, for Aquarius in April. Okay. And we've got new messages. So we're getting, some decision-making opportunities, and there's a message coming in. A letter could be on March 27th or April 27th, perhaps, because this is a reading for April. But this could be from the new moon, which happens on March 29th. So I'm thinking this could be March 27th. You're getting some kind of message, Aquarius, a written word perhaps, or an email or a text or something like that, some kind of contract commitment, and there's decisions to be made there. So that's cool. And yes, the third house is about writing, this could be a time to write in your journal your new aspirations, your new goals, Aquarius, too. But I'm pretty sure you're getting some kind of written message in some way, some kind of communications in either on March 27th or April 27th or in April sometime, with that letter, real communications and making decisions, and maybe making some collaborations as well. And we got loyal friend to collaborate too, which is nice. This dog card is always one of my favorites to get. Noblemen help us out. Like I said, it's not cool to be a lone wolf, Aquarius, in April. This is the time where we count on other people. I get by with a little help with my friends. This can be also people who are professionals in the fields, like anything from a lawyer, doctor, nurse, librarian, city council worker, who knows. But this can either be a professional advisor, a real estate agent, whatever, or it can be a friend that gives you some kind of info to help you along the way. So listen for the people. Brand yourself, market yourself, get your word out, Aquarius, in April. I think that's a good thing. And now let's pull a card from the Pink Chakra Oracle to see any extra info we could glean for April. Oh, I got a ding. Did you hear the ding on my phone? I belong. See, another connection card. We're getting connected, connected to our community, connected to people. I belong. And so I do think this third house of busy communications is coming through here in this card as well. I belong to some kind of group. I belong to my community. I belong in my space. And so get out your amethyst and your lepidolite anything purple, put it in your bra or in your pocket here for April, under your pillow. Carry it along. Remember, you have your spirit team as well, who's always watching your back, right? You've watched my spirit chats. You know, this is real stuff. We have spirits helping us along the way as well. So don't forget to stay connected. Okay, Aquarius, that's going to be great. I belong. All right. Now, that was just scratching the surface, you know. Come see me for a reading if you want to dive deeper. www.themoontree.org. I do in person and I do online readings as well. So let me know if you live in Peace River, Alberta, or near here. I do in-person readings at Valley Health, and otherwise I do Zoom readings or video readings. So check it out, www.themoontree.org. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends if you like this stuff. And Aquarius, let me know how you're doing. I love to comment back, like reply to comments on my YouTube. So do that. I love that as well if you're so inclined. All right. I'm Trina, your intuitive guide from Peace River, Alberta, helping you navigate life's energies. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, Aquarius.